Hello everyone, my name is Nabil Nakvi, your local real estate lawyer, and I just wanted to take a few moments to communicate some key points and considerations to you during this difficult time that we find ourselves in with respect to COVID-19 and the coronavirus. Quickly, I just wanted to thank again all healthcare professionals and the frontline workers who are putting their health at risk so that our country can continue to function. And so with that being said, let's dive right into this. The number one question that people in our industry, so lawyers in particular, wanted to know was what was happening with the Land Registry Office. So the Land Registry Office, as you may or may not know, is the government office responsible for registering different instruments on your properties, such as transfers from a purchase or a sale, as well as mortgages or charges on title. So we spoke with the Director of Land Titles, Jeff Lem, through a video conference, and he has made it abundantly clear that the LRO, or the Land Registry Office, will remain open during this time and is fully operational and functional. And so that includes the Land Registry Office's TerraView system. TerraView is the software that us lawyers use to conduct the searches and actually register these documents on title on the day of your closings. So this software system is robust and it was designed specifically for these type of situations so that we can continue to close our deals remotely. The actual land registry offices, there are 54 in Ontario. They are all officially open, but obviously there may be some exceptions with respect to specific offices if they are having staffing issues or if they were smaller to begin with, depending on if they are in a rural area or a remote location. However, officially these offices are open, but with that in mind, please remember that there will be delays in registering things. So there will be longer turnaround times, especially when it comes to working with any type of issues that might be on title, so that are not straightforward transfers. There's some additional work that needs to be done to cure a defect on title. Then just keep in mind that there will be delays with those closings. And again, if there is a delay in closing, there's other options that we have as lawyers to close those deals. We can close them in escrow or postpone them, etc. We'll discuss those later on in this video. That's it for the Land Registry Office. There's no deliberate shutdown. Some lawyers have suggested that they should shut down the entire system. I'm guessing because maybe they're overwhelmed with the amount of work that's coming in right now. There are a lot more registrations that the Land Registry Office is seeing on a year-to-year basis. So lawyers have asked to shut the system down so they can have some time to figure out a game plan and how to service our clients appropriately. But as I said earlier, the Land Registry Office is not planning on doing this because their system was designed for these type of situations. The next thing that I want to talk about is banking and transferring funds. So as real estate lawyers, for us to close your purchases and for us to get you your money after you sell your property, we have to do banking, we have to transfer funds. And so all of that is being affected. Some banks are shut down while some others are open. Some banks are only allowing 1 to 2 customers at a time. So it can take 3 to 4 hours for us to do regular banking that would have maybe only taken an hour before. So if we get that mortgage money, around 2 o'clock, which is, we're lucky if we get the mortgage money that early, it can still be after 5 o'clock by the time we actually transfer that funds to the vendor in order to complete your purchase. So that might trigger an escrow closing or a delayed closing. And so you should be prepared for that.